Super busy here. Wow, so many people. In Sanur, very busy. You can see the full all the big groups down here. The room area. 5-star dining here. Have and go, morning made easy. 8 AM to 12, coffee and croissant, only 50k. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 7:20. I'm here in the Sanur area, Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour or a beach path walking tour from Semawang beach to Duyung beach. So my starting point for tonight's video is going to be at the Semawang beachside and a restaurant called Studio de Pantai, which I have featured in a video before, so it serves exceptionally good food at that place. Very popular amongst Indonesian, but not too popular amongst Western tourists. I think you should give that place a try. I shall add the link in the description for my food review there. Also has a swimming pool up on the top floor there at Studio de Pantai. So I'll be going from Studio de Pantai. Next place is going to be a place called Avocado Lovers. Again, I have featured that place in a video. Serves exceptionally nice avocado drinks in there. There is strawberry drinks, mango drinks as well, coconut drinks, a few little snacks as well there. Have the Nest Beachside Spa just around the corner from the Nest Beachside Spa. Have Tappa, which is one of the most popular beachfront restaurants here in Sanur. Again, another restaurant I have featured. I shall have the link in the description for that. Serves exceptionally good food. And then making away next around just from Tappa is going to be the Intercontinental Resort, Pier 8, which is another fabulous restaurant, 5-star resort facility, the Intercontinental, I think. And then I'm going to finish up at Duyung Beach location, where there's a collection of 3 restaurants there also. Have Limo Beach Cafe, Seagrass by the beach, and also La Playa, which is another very popular beachfront restaurant here in the Sanur area, Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night beach stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so here's the start point for tonight's video. Pantai Semawang, the Semawang beach sign here. We're going to just go to Studio de Pantai first of all, which is this place here. There is an upstairs swimming pool at Studio de Pantai. It's not so busy this evening. It's a bit quiet. Sitting area here as well. It's normally actually quite busy this. It's the wrong day for filming. One of these camera machines here. You inside and have a look around. Just a few customers tonight. Fabulous. All the big groups down here. Nice. Look back in the other direction. Just from the outside seating area, it does have an inside seating area as well. Not too busy this evening. We're going to head back in this direction now. No outside food or drink allowed. Menu is just on the board here. Happy hour cocktails. It's a fabulous restaurant this. I have eaten that featured in a video. Shisha 10% discount. We're going to walk along here now. So it looks a little bit quiet on the beach tonight. Avocado Lovers and Friends is our next place. Serves fabulous avocado drinks this. Nice little inside seating area as well there. I've actually had a drink here from the Avocado Lovers and Friends. Sell a few drinks. The menu's actually here. Maybe a little bit too dark to pick up, but avocado drinks mainly. Mango lovers, strawberry lovers also, coconut lovers. Oh, that's interesting. I'll maybe try that one. Some smoothie bowls. Choose your toppings. Sandwiches, croissants. And then just next door we have a place called Naked Baked. which is relatively new. Again, not too busy this evening. It's normally quite busy this. I think it's maybe weekends the best time for filming. And a little tourist information tour booking service there. WC and toilet there for 4,000 it says. We have the Nest Beachside Spa here. This is one of the most premier spas in Sanur area. Fabulous spa this. Just in the back there. Nest Beachside Spa. Just keep walking along here. Okay, so just a little bit on from the Nest Beachside Spa. This is a place called Tappa. It's very, very busy here at Tappa. I've featured this in a restaurant, in a video, sorry. Serves exceptionally good food. See all the tables and chairs full here. Very, very busy. There's an inside area, counter area there. Super, super busy. We usually have live music, maybe taking a break at the moment. We'll maybe try and capture that a little bit later. You can see super, super busy here. Wow, so many people. Nice to see at least somewhere's busy. Looks as though they're revamping it, maybe making inside seating. There's the live music, Tappa Sanur, and Pilsner. 150k, 5 bottles. And we just continue walking. Let's give you another angle on that. Very, very busy there. Nice. So just on the left now is the Intercontinental. I think that's a 5-star resort facility, that one. Synthetic sun lounges, soft cushion tops on the beach here. Hello. Main entrance there to the Intercontinental. How are you, brother? Everything's nice here, nicely raked sand as well here. Some seating here on the beach. This is connected with Pier 8 as well. You can see it's this is a very popular area. 5-star dining here. Nice. We'll just let the people pass. We'll show you. We have Pier 8 as well. It's connected with the Intercontinental. Happy hour 5 till 7 p.m. Buy 2 get 1 free. Very, very busy there. We'll just cut across now. So this is the Intercontinental. Few customers inside there as well. Nice. Some live music as well there. Just see what else information we can grab here. Grab and go, morning made easy. 8 a.m. to 12, coffee and croissant, only 50k. Wow, that's cheap. Fresh coconut smoothie, 50k. Lovely nice outside seating area here again on a raised deck platform. Very, very nice seating this. Wow. Yeah, very nice. Nice to see you busy. Hello, good evening, how are you? There's the staff there. So here's the Pier 8. Here's the name of the restaurant, Pier 8, Sanur, Bali. A nice seating area at the front here, a nice seating area inside as well. I won't go inside because we've got guests in there. Nice. Taking a break, the musician now, unlucky for us. Savour the best of Sanur Bay. Indulging grilled seafood, 250k. Wow. So that's 250k, I think. Maybe an all you can eat that, I'm not sure. We have another one here, live seafood of the day. Looks as though they're actually cooking it here on the beach. There's some here. The barbecue there. And we're just going to walk along the track here now. Okay, just down now from the Pier 8 and the Intercontinental. This is a new place. This is called Giesta's Gelato. We're not going to be able to pick it up because the light's too bright, but it's called Giesta's Gelato. Single scoop, 35k. It's just in the back there. And then here we have Limo Beach Cafe. Rock. Seating area here as well, again, in the raised platform. Create your own smoothie bowls. No sugar, of course, vegan, gluten free. Just down there in the back. Seagrass by the beach here. Okay, just got stopped by some subscribers there, so we're seated now a little bit quiet here at Seagrass on the beach, Seagrass by the beach. Normally live music here as well. Nice little area inside as well there. Bali, the lovely stuff there. And then here's one of the most busy, we'll just connect this first. Surreal water sports here. Jet ski, today promo snorkeling. Restaurants on the beach here in Sanur. Very, very busy. You can see the full decking. Well, it's not actually full decking, it's a sand area now. Super, super busy there. Busy inside as well. So nice to see. Let's just have a see what's on the board here. We have a promo on the beers. Mixed seafood. Some customers just going inside there. It's super, super busy. Wow. Weekday night and busy. There's the staff. Ooh. Nice. Oh, they've extended the tables out to the end here because there's too many customers. That's where we're going to finish tonight's video here at La Playa. Wow. Just continues on and on. And the guy selling this here. Oh la la. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night beach path stroll here in Sanur from Semawang Beach to Duyung Beach. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, some places were busy, some were not. So we started at Studio de Pantai. Now that place is normally quite busy, it's very popular with Indonesian, however tonight wasn't the case, very few people actually there. Moving on, avocado lovers and friends. That's the quietest sort of place anyway, because it is only a small place. And just around the corner, it really heated up. We got to Tappa and there was lots of people there. That place is busy every single night, has live music, entertainment every single night. Have featured that place in a video. I shall have the link in the description for you. As I've Studio de Pantai, I shall have the link in the description for that place for you also. And then moving on, we have the 5-star resort, Intercontinental. Quite popular actually there outside at the front there. Not sure whether they was Intercontinental or coming to the Pier 8, probably Intercontinental guess, but Pier 8 and Intercontinental are connected. And then we finished up at the video at the last 3 restaurants at the Duyung Beach location. You have Limo Beach Cafe, Seagrass by the beach and La Playa. Now La Playa is another one of the most popular beachfront restaurants here in Sanur. I have had food there in the past. I've never featured it in a video, maybe will do in the future. But all in all, just a really, really great 2 beach locations here in Sanur. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe pay some of these restaurants a visit during your holiday stay here in Sanur. And I shall say bye for now.